Learning by doing is important because it imparts to our students a practical set of skills, both hard skills and soft skills, that allow them to be successful.
Four-year undergraduates are required to complete 3 internship experiences. One of the unique things about the internship program at LIM is that it's really woven into the core curriculum. One component is going into the worksite, and the other is taking the class to talk about the skills you need to be successful to ensure that that internship is not only a valuable learning experience, but is also a valuable professional experience to help further your resume.
My first few semesters here, we were in corporate offices of huge companies like Foot Locker and Kleinfeld.
Hands-on experience is the most important thing that students need in order to land the jobs they want in the industry. When I was an LIM student, I had a lot of different internships. I worked fashion shows, I went to New York City Fashion Week, and it's not just resume building that they're helping with, it's portfolio building, it's career building.
The Lexington Line is the most amazing club I've been a part of. It is a magazine club. I got to know the ins and outs, such as analytics and SEO marketing.
Ultimately, our students walk away with a breadth of experience, academic knowledge, but they also possess the know-how to really hit the ground running and make an impact in the industry. They can add value from the start.